Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the UK 1 penny coin from the year 1963, based on its grade. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about the worth of this coin, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
Let's take a close look at the star of our video, the 1963 UK 1 penny coin. This coin is a classic piece of numismatic history and comes with its own unique story. On the obverse side, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse side features the iconic image of Britannia. This coin has a fascinating design that has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Let's talk about coin grading. The value of a coin can vary greatly based on its condition, which is often determined by a grading system. Coins are graded on a scale that ranges from poor to mint state, with various grades in between. The 1963 UK 1 penny coin in different grades. Here's a rough estimate of the value for the 1963 UK 1 penny coin in various grades. Poor to good, generally worth its face value or a bit more. Very good to fine, valued at a few cents to around $1. Very fine to extremely fine, can range from $100 to around $500. About uncirculated to uncirculated, these coins can fetch anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 or more, depending on rarity and demand. The value of mint state coins can vary greatly, from $10,000 to over $30,000 or more, especially if the coin is in top-notch condition. So, there you have it. The value of the 1963 UK 1 penny coin varies greatly based on its grade. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins in your collection, take good care of it and consider getting it professionally graded to determine its true value. Remember, the coin collecting community is vast.
If you enjoyed this video,